In packaging areas where profile variety and the need for visual controls means it's almost impossible to replace staff with machines, Reisch offers a variety of options for at least simplifying and thereby accelerating such tasks. The packaging line shown in the example consists of 5 essential components. The first component is the profile magazine. The profile magazine is located behind the final saw, which is also at the start of the packaging line. In second place comes the crossbelt. The crossbelt assumes the tasks of a buffer and profile separator at the same time. The paper feed is in third place. The paper feed is probably the most prominent component on the packaging line. The next station is the packing lift table. The packing lift table forms together with the paper feed the hub of the system. And finally, at the end of the packaging line, the skip conveyor. The skip conveyor, with buffer function comprising empty packing drum feeder and transporter. Depending on the logistics requirements and space available at the individual press shops, several of this type of packaging line can be deployed. So let's now track the profiles along their journey on such a packaging line. The sawn profiles land directly at the paper feed from the crossbelt, depending on there being adequate packaging staff capacity. Besides various paper types, the paper feed magazine can obviously also be fitted with a variety of different foils. The task of the paper and foil feed is to deliver the correct packaging material in the correct length, at the right place and at the right time. Packaging workers take the foil and start to actually package the profiles. The crossbelt provides the necessary feed logistics, but also adjusts to the exact speed of the worker. The packing lift table adjusts automatically to the height of the table, according to the filling ratio of the skip and the aspirations of the packaging staff. In this way, personnel are assured consistent, pleasant, and thereby efficient working conditions. When the actual packaging is complete, the packing lift table lowers itself and passes the full skip to the packing conveyor. This transports the container to the skip unloader. While this skip is being bound for final transportation on a highly accessible platform, an empty skip reaches the packing lift table via the skip conveyor. And while the new empty skip is being filled with profiles again, the skip buffer can be independently emptied or replaced with empty skips. If the buffer function of the crossbelt is exhausted, then the magazine comes into action. In the example shown, the magazine plays the same equalizing role of the otherwise standard destacker. It lifts off the closely laminated profiles from the conveyor belt and stores these in the magazine. If the crossbelt is all but emptied again by the packaging process, the magazine empties out the profiles stored in that magazine. Due to the relatively large storage capacity of the magazine, even vastly differing profile volumes can be overcome without any problems. On a final note, we'd like to draw your attention to options by way of 2 examples, which can be integrated into such a system without any problems. A scrap transporter and carton packaging are additional combination options. With your ideas and ours, together we can plan a particularly economic packaging system for you.